Cool. So, if you have been told by me or another business coach, mentor, someone said to you, hey, you should fire up an ebook and use it to generate leads, but you're thinking, how the hell does that even work? Like, what does that even look like? I've tried to make this as simple as I can on the screen here. Where the ebook comes into it is this part of the funnel. So, actually, when you are quite literally handing over the ebook to somebody for free, it's much further down the line and it's much more used as a piece in the bigger play and a bigger puzzle than it is as simply as just sending someone an ebook, because you can just send someone an ebook and you can just hope that they use it and get value, but unfortunately a lot of people don't implement the stuff that they get, hence why people could learn how to lose weight or build a business just from watching videos like this or all the great content that you're probably sharing, but they don't because they need the implementation. So essentially, it's like you give away the free source and then they pay you to cook it for them. Or like they get the free knowledge and they pay you to implement it. So here's where an ebook comes into the funnel. So what you're going to firstly do is announce the ebook on your Instagram feed or your Instagram story. And the best call to action, and we've tested this, and after mentoring hundreds of fitness coaches and doing this for a long time myself, the easiest way to get someone to engage with your ebook and actually like get in contact to get the thing is just giving them a one word CTA and doing that in the form of a comment. So what you can do is say you post about bicep curls, and at the bottom of the post it says comment the word biceps and I'll send you a free arms ebook. So here's the arms ebook down here. But you notice how far away that is from the post itself. So I'll show you how they get to that. So it goes, you post that post. If you want to build bigger legs or you want my morning routine, comment the word routine below. So that's the one word comment. Or you do that on your story as well. So you could post this on your story or your IG feed. Typically, Instagram feed is best to begin with. And then do it on your Instagram as story as well, at least once or twice a week. Then people comment. And then when people comment, you reply to the comment, but then you send them a DM. So let's say if you commented the word arms under a post of mine, I would then DM you and say, hey, Steve, thanks for reaching out for the free arms guide. Um, here's the link. Go check it out. And they're like, thank you so much, right? And then what you do is from the DMs, you send them to an opt-in page, okay? The most basic version of opt-in page, like if you're not very techy and you don't have ClickFunnels or Go High Level, Active Campaign, all you do in this instance is just create a form on like Typeform or Google Forms just to get their name and email, and then you can send them the ebook via email. But by getting them on your email list and sending them the ebook, you can now start to nurture them with emails over time. Okay, and nurturing them over time would look like this: you send them like a weekly email, once a week, twice a week, no more than 3 times a week. Okay, start doing email marketing, and then at some point in your emails, you say, "I hope you get value from the emails. Book in for a free call with me," and they book a call, and then they convert on the call and they become a client. So that's the goal, right? The end goal for all of this is always obviously going to be, how do I take someone from seeing my stuff, getting my ebook, and becoming a paying client? So that's that flow. Okay. The other more direct flow is, this is like a faster flow, which is they see the feed post, they comment the word, they DM you, and then they book a call in the DM. So the way that I would do it is say, um, send a link to get the free arms guide. And then I'd say, oh, I may have some other resources for you. What's your fitness goal right now? And then they tell you, and they say, oh, my fitness goal right now is to um, build muscle. Oh, okay. How long have you been trying to build muscle? Like, is it like a new goal, or have you been trying to build muscle for a while? Yeah, I've been trying to build muscle for years, but it just hasn't happened for me. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Like, what do you struggle with most when it comes to building muscle? And then all you're doing is you're working through your DM script, and you should have a DM script. If you're inside FBC, inside my mentorship, the guys have a script. Then you should put them onto a sales call. Again, you should have a script. If you don't have a script, then let me know and I can run you through what that would look like. And then you sell them into your program and they become a client. Okay. So this is the funnel. This is the goal, to get them from seeing your post, wanting your free ebook, becoming a client. Either more direct, which is going to be this flow, so comment, DM, call, client, or indirect is going to be getting them onto your email list, nurturing them over time, and then getting them to book a call later. But either way, whichever way you go around it, the goal is to get them to see your ebook, want your ebook, opt in and ask for your ebook, and then get into conversation. All we're really trying to do is generate more book calls, because more book calls generates more clients. More clients generates more money and more happiness and more changed lives. So everyone wins. You get paid more the more people you help, and the more lives you change. So everyone wins. Okay, so that is how you use a free ebook funnel in a nutshell. I'm no doubt you're going to have some questions. So comment below this video or send me a message on Instagram at Fitness Business Coaching, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.